The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. Another classic guide ito na napublish pa noong 1963. Kung bago pa lang kayo guys na nagbabasa ng mga self-help books, ito ang isa sa pwede kong ma-recommenda sa iyo kasi hindi siya gaanong mahirap intindihin. Ngayon, kung nagbabasa ka ng Bible, masasakyan mo ito. Bigyan ko kayo ng sample na nakasulat dito. Sabi dito, think good and good follows. Think evil and evil follows. You are what you think all day long. This quote emphasizes the power of positive thinking. It suggests that by focusing on positive thoughts and belief, we can attract positive experiences and outcomes into our lives. Sabi pa dito, the way to get rid of darkness is with light. The way to overcome cold is with heat. The way to overcome the negative thought is to substitute the good thought. Affirm the good and the bad will vanish. Ang isinare ko sa inyo guys ay konting-konti lang ito pero sa kapal ng librong